We had a very great match. Good defenses were solid. I can say we came well prepared. We knew it wasn't going to be easy, but we had to fight. Because at the end of the day, a Pirates is just a name. I'm a players when we get around in, we're all the same. So we had to fight for our badge.
Not mistaken, you said Pirates is just a name. Are you still sticking to that statement?
What I can say is maybe they misinterpreted my statement. Not that I was being disrespectful or trying, not that I have something against Pirates. No, Pirates, we all know it's a big club in South African football. What I can say is once the referee blows the whistle, it's 11-11. It's no longer about Pirates or like I said, but I wasn't being disrespectful, but I was trying to say, let's see there. Strong.
Just a name. 3 words, 1 man of the match performance, and an entire club's fan base ready to go to war. Siphamandla lit a fire under the Soweto Giants, and now, days before Durban City meet Orlando Pirates again in the MTN 8, he's finally responding. Is this a walkback? Or is he doubling down? Let's get into it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we break down everything happening in South African football PSL storylines, player controversies, and the games that matter most. If that's your thing, make sure you're subscribed, because today's story has all the ingredients. Controversy, a proud club, and a rivalry that's about to get a lot more heated. What happened? Let's rewind. Durban City traveled to Orlando Stadium and held Pirates to a goalless draw. Not the flashiest result on paper, but Siphamandla walked away with the Man of the Match award, and it was his post-match comments that made all the headlines, not the football. He described Pirates as being just a name, a comment that didn't sit well at all inside the Pirates camp. Club official Mpumi Khoza was caught on camera afterward, calling out the players for allowing that kind of disrespect toward the badge. For a club with the history, the trophies, and the fan base that Pirates has, that comment was never going to fly quietly. The clarification. Fast forward to now, the two sides are set to clash again this Saturday at Orlando Stadium, this time in the MTN 8. And naturally, Siphamandla was asked to address the comment that's been following him around ever since. His response? He says people got the wrong idea. He stressed that there was no disrespect intended and that everyone in South African football knows the size and stature of Pirates as a club. His actual point, he explains, was about mentality that once the referee's whistle goes, badges and reputations don't matter anymore. It's 11 players against 11 players. Full stop. According to Siphamandla, his real message to his own teammates was about not being intimidated by the occasion, not about disrespecting Pirates. Does it hold up? Is this a genuine clarification or classic damage control before a high-stakes fixture? Does the original quote, just a name, naturally fit the explanation he's giving now, or does it feel like a stretch? How does this affect the mentality of both dressing rooms walking into Saturday? Could Pirates use this as extra motivation, the way big clubs often do with disrespect narratives? Why Saturday matters more now. This was already a fixture with needle in it. Pirates will want revenge for the draw, and Durban City will want to prove that result wasn't a fluke. But now there's a subplot. Bragging rights over who was right about that comment. Expect a fired-up Orlando Stadium crowd, a Pirates side desperate to make a statement, and a Durban City team that will either back up Siphamandla words with a big performance or hear about it all game long. So, do you believe Siphamandla's explanation, or do you think Pirates have every right to still be upset? Drop your take in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more PSL content, and I'll catch you in the next video where we'll be previewing the matchup in full.